Hello students, today we will learn how to get user input in Python. So to get user input in Python, we will be using input function. And this function returns values by default in string all the time. So whenever you will be using input function to get user input, you will be getting data in string only. So whenever mathematical operations are to be performed, we need to convert them. Whenever you need to do additions, multiplication, division, even subtraction, any arithmetical operation if you want to perform, then you will have to convert the data, the entered data by user, which you are getting from input function, you will have to convert it. And for converting it, you will have to use either int function or float function. So here, what is the syntax for this? The syntax is variable input enter a value. So here, like this, you can use this syntax of input function. Then here is an example one. In this one, we are trying to get roll number from the user and name from the user. Then when you will print it, it will be printing the entered roll number and the name. But keep in mind, by default, input function returns value in string only. So when it returns in string, that means here roll number or name, whatever you are using, those uh, get entered, that will be in string only. So now let us see the uh, next example. In this one here, uh, we are getting entered a. I mean, the user is entering a value of a user input, because you are using input method, getting value b by user input again. So user is entering value of a, value of b, and then we are summing up. Then we are doing summation here. So when we are doing summation, it will be printing value of c. But keep in mind, we have not converted it, so you are going to get your answer if he has entered 10 or 20 for b and a is 10. So then you are going to 10 20. Why this is? This is because it is performing the string concatenation. Then example number 3. Here we are getting input from user, and whatever input is being entered by user in input function, that will be converted to integer in both cases, and then we are doing summation of it. Thus it is a and b value is being summed up, and that is being assigned to c. So when you will print it, you will get the actual answer. I mean the 10, if you have given a equal to 10, b equal 20, so then you will be getting answer 30. This concludes, to perform mathematical operation, we need to convert this string data or text data into integer or float. This you will have to keep in mind. Now let us see example number 4. In the example number 4, here the input is getting little different. A value has been entered, that will be converted to integer. B value has been entered, that will also get converted to integer. Then the sum is being assigned to c, and that will be printed. But here see the input, what you are giving, you are giving a equal to India and b equal to 10. So what will happen? In this case, this is going to show you error, because you have used, because of this int function, because you have used int function to convert it. So when the value is not, no integer value is there, so it will not be converted. So if you give something text or a string, it will always show you some error. Now let us do it in VS Code, please. Here I will take a variable, say a equal to int. I'll write here input enter a number, enter a number, enter a number. So in B again I'll get the same thing, int input enter another number, enter a number again. So now when you are entering value of a and b, now both have been converted to integer. So if you sum up them, then you can print them. So you will get the result, whatever you have entered, it will be summed up. So sum is, it will be C. Run it and see the output. So I'll enter here, say 10, 20, and I'm getting 30. But now I'll do little change, and that I'll again run it. And what change I'll do this time, I'll give input in the string, and first input let us give India, and second input is say, so it is showing you error. So due to this int function, your this input will not work. Then let us go to third one. So keep in mind that whatsoever you are seeing, so prevent them, you know, instead of showing you error before entering any value, you will have to prevent them. So now in this case, see what I get here. I'll run this program. When I'll run it, and I will enter say 10, I'll enter say 20, and I'm getting string concatenation. So 10 and 20 has been concatenated. And like this, you can use input method, and you will have to take care of conversion whenever you are doing mathematical operation. So hope you must have understood the utilization of input, and how we should get input from user, and then how we should convert it. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.